far, what you have learned is on the tree, model tree. So this video is we will do the 5.9 within chapter 5 is the coding for drill down. It's like this icon roughly explained is that is go to the next level, and you have drill down and the vice versa is the drill up. But we introduced the drill down within our the Archi, so you can have the left and right is down or up. Using the drill down button is just in the right of this home, and you have that left of this find. So home, back, go into is possible to drill into a model or folder. The path to the current selection object or folder is shown in the status bar. So if I put this root folder, so you can see the status bar here. So if I have an upper folder, upper level folder, have some this lower level folder, I have this go into this available, and you can always see the navigation information in this status bar. But that is a default, but you can also see that is the, let me see, so where is the status bar? Always run, use the with automatically appearance, show status bar on this appearance tab. So if you select that and apply, it's still here. So let me see the always show status bar. So that is not for this one. And do I have any hide toolbar? I can hide toolbar, but I cannot hide this status bar. So leave on that. When I have this top level, I can drill into. Go into is the means is you are go next level. So you see the difference is you don't see your model name now. So it's these are our root folder. So if you don't back, if I back is the I can see test model. So that is my first level. And if I drill down is the that is not have a level, but I cannot drill down further because it's like it's the link to the view. Is there's a is the multiple. It is misleading. Is which folder you want to drill down. For example, is when you activate select this strategy. Now you can see this is activated. Then drill down means I will go into next level for strategy and not focus on any other level. So now here is only in the layer 2 of the strategy is appeared. So I can focus on working with the strategy level 2 only on the F and this F1, F2 because I have two subfolder. And you can further drill down onto the element level because now I don't have any folder below to F1, but I have a one folder below to F2. So if I drill down to F1 first, you can see you have this for this the element. But if I drill down to F2, I have one folder, one element. If you click the element, you cannot drill down further. But for this folder, you should be able to drill down. But because I don't have anything is inside this folder, so I cannot do that. But if I create one element, now I can drill down. So if you have drill down, you want to back, just go to this back. Then this you back to your top level. And then this, if you make the any part is drill down, like I drill down here, you can directly is click this home. Then that's back to the top level. The path to the current selection is inside, or you can this status bar. If you click this selection, now is the level 2. You can directly click this one and drill down bypass all the upper level. So and if you click the capability, although you cannot see the upper level folders, you still have this full path here. So that is the drill down, drill up. But frankly speaking, I don't use that in any time of my modeling. I just keep whole folders in front of me so that I can switch with the folders when I do this cross-layer mapping. So, but it's worth to know is within Archi is provide this feature to you, so that is you may choose that is if that is valid for some of your use case. With that is we finish this 5.9. Next one is we will go to the hiding folder. So see you then. Bye for now.